This is our orchid plant that's got 2 stalks of flowers. There's Merlin coming to visit early in the morning. Oh, they're just beautiful. So Joe puts this in the basement, which is quite dark, and for the winter.
This cat wants to go up.
And this one had beautiful orchids last year, and this year it's got 2 stalks of orchids. It's just gorgeous. I love them. And then we have another one, smaller pot. It gave us orchids last year, but this year it's not. It's taking a rest. Absolutely beautiful. So, and we do give it orchid food. And we have our Merlin the cat. Merlin the magic man. Isn't he?
Look at this cat.
He is.
Look at this.
He likes that. Merlin! See his face. Joe's patting him like a dog. He's loving that. Oh, there goes the ferry. Hear the boat. Anyway, beautiful orchids.
Want a lemon? Okay.